Hello everyone, welcome to Coursework Google series. Today we'll be understanding about how to create YouTube infeed campaign. So let us quickly start. YouTube infeed campaigns are the campaigns which will show up on the right hand side or maybe in the bottom of the YouTube whenever somebody searches for any kind of product and services that you're offering, or maybe some sort of keyword, anything that they use, right? So first of all, for creating in-feed campaign, you have to go on Google Ads and you have to click on the plus icon and you have to click on new campaign. Once you click on new campaign, you will be redirected to this page. And here for creating a YouTube campaign, you have to choose this goal, awareness and consideration. It means we want to make people aware about the product and services that we are offering, and we want them to consider our services. So in feed campaign, we basically use when we need a lot of views on our campaign, or maybe the particular video. So for increasing a lot of views and reach, you can use this campaign. So after creating awareness and consideration, then you have to go to video. And once you click on video, then you have to choose video views. So it also says get views and engagement from people who are more likely to consider your product or brand. You only pay when someone chooses to watch your ad. You can show as skippable, in stream, in feed, and short ads. So there are different types that you can create ads with. But today we will understand about in feed ads, and one by one I will cover other topics as well. So then you have to scroll down and click on continue. Once you click on continue, you will be able to see this page. Let it load. Okay, so here we can see the goal. Now we have to give it a campaign name. So I will give in feed campaign. Okay, once you do that, this is asking you for the option. So now this is option for multi-format ads, when where we want to show the ads, I mean one single ad in different formats. But since our goal is to get a lot of views and we only want to focus on views, so we will not choose this option because we want to create a in-feed campaign. Then you have to select the budget and dates. I would recommend you have to not go for campaign total, you will go for the daily budget. So for example, if you want to spend 500 per day, so you will put a daily budget here. Campaign total means you are giving a total budget to Google, maybe 10,000 for a campaign, and you want to spend that or split that into a week's time. But I would recommend you to go for a daily budget. Then you can set up any end date also. If you want to set it for a end of the month, you can do that. Once you are done with it, then it is asking you for the networks here. Because we are expecting a lot of reach and views, I would recommend that we have to opt in for this option. And then you have to go to the locations. In location, you can choose whatever you want to target. Either you want to go for all countries and territories, if you want to go for India, and then if you have any specific location, then you type here as well. For example, if I want to target Delhi, so I can choose it from here and I can just click on include. But for now, I want to go for India, so I will choose the India location. Here I can do the specification on the basis of language also. If I want to target the people who only speak English language, so I can do that. Or you can add any other language also. If you want to add Hindi language, so you can do that as well. So this is basically for the targeting options. Then you can add some related videos also. If with one video you want to add some more videos and increase the engagement, you can probably drop the links here and you can do that. Once you are done with it, then you have to give a ad group name. If you do it, great. If not, then you can ignore it. Then there are different targeting options. We have audience name, you have to just give it a name. Then you have demographics. In demographics, you can target, if you want to target male, female, any particular age group, you can do the settings here. If I only want to target female, I will just probably untick the male part. And then if I want to target only age till 44, so I can do that as where as well. I mean the changes whatever you want to do. Additionally, there are other targeting options. We'll be creating a detailed video on the same. But just for the understanding, this is basically for the people which you want to target. So if you want people who are interested in digital marketing agency, SEO and SEM services, so you can probably target those audiences based on the product and services that you are providing and what kind of audiences that you are expecting. So for example, if you want to target any real estate audience, so you will just type here real estate. So any audience list which is related to that, that will be showcased. So you can probably just tick them and you can add them right here. For me, I am taking a digital marketing video, so I will not choose any of these, right? So you can choose accordingly depending upon the service. So I will choose all of these: digital marketing, marketing services, digital marketing agency, all that. Once you are done with it, you have to scroll down. We are not doing any other setting. If you want to do multiple targetings, there are four targeting options in YouTube. We have audience, keyword, topic, and placement. So I would recommend you to create separate ad groups for each targeting, because if you do all the targetings in one ad group, then the reach will be narrowed down and the campaign might not be able to perform. Also, the CPC would be, I mean, CPV would be very much high. So this is not required. Then you have to put a video link here. So you just have to copy it and you have to paste it. So now we are getting two options: skippable in stream and in feed video ad. Do remember, on the top we had one option for multi-format ads. If you tick this, probably you will not get the option of in-feed ad, so separately. So if you want to create in-feed or skippable separately, then you have to untick this, and then we will get the option for creating these two campaigns: skippable in stream and in-feed video ad. Since we are expecting a lot of views on the video, so we will choose for in-feed. Now it is asking me for the headline and description. So for example, how to promote YouTube videos with Google AdWords campaign. So I am creating a video on this one. So I will just add it right here, and then I will type uh, learn video ads. Okay, and then I want people to do action for subscribe now. So this is how my ad will look like. On the right hand side, you can see the preview. Okay, you can see the preview from here, like on desktop how my ad will appear, and on mobile phones how my ad will appear, right? So you can see the preview. You can create the ad copy. You can add one headline for 100 characters and two descriptions for 35 characters. Once you are done with it, we have already created one ad. If you want to create multiple ads for the same video, can be done. Then it is asking you for the bid, and it is saying that you can use 0.56 as standard. I would say do not keep it very low, otherwise you will not get a lot of views and impressions. Initially the bid would be little high, I mean the cost per view, but once you start running the ad, gradually it will decrease. So right now it is 0.56. I would recommend you to add around 0.50 at least, so that we do not miss on our audience. On the right hand side, you can see the estimates also, what you can expect out of it. So you can expect around 7.2k to 25k views, then 170k plus impressions. What would be your average cost per view, what the budget you will be spending, and how many unique reaches you can expect. So on the right hand side, you can probably see the weekly estimates that Google can offer to you. Then you have to just simply click on create campaign, and we are good to go. So you can just review the settings once and go to overview. So this is how we can create our in-feed campaign. In-feed campaigns are basically for increasing the reach and for giving you more views. If you want to have a quick uh, check how in-feed ads look like, so we can see in-feed ad, video ads. So if I go to the image, so let me see if I can show you how in-feed ads look like. So let me find. Okay, it is giving you the option, not this one. Let me check. Um, yeah. So infeed ad basically shows up on these location on the right hand side of the YouTube, on the below the video, on the home page. So this is other these are the locations where your infeed ads can appear, and this can bring you a lot of views. So this is all for today. I hope the video helps. If you have any questions, you can drop in the comment section. I will probably pick them up. And yeah, do like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.